Hola, clase.
Hola, señor. Hola.
Hola, señor Jurado. Yo soy señor Jurado, or señor Jurado. Today, in Spanish 101, we're going to be covering greetings, any formalities amongst people. Ser is the verb, Spanish verb to be. It's used whenever speaking with anyone in its conjugations. Spanish verbs are going to be split up between singular and plural. Everything on this side of the chart is going to be your singular response. Anything on this side of the chart is going to be your plural response. First person, your first person subject pronoun is going to be yo. Anytime you're speaking about yourself, it's going to be yo and anything that you're going to say afterwards. For a second person, it's going to be tú. T-U, tú. When you're speaking to someone and asking them a question, you would start off with tú. Third person, this is going to be for anyone that you don't know, anyone formal, any adult, teacher, or even your peers, but usually used in a more formal setting. And that's third person, and that's going to be él, ella, usted. Él and ella is going to be masculine or feminine, depending on who it is. Masculine is going to be él, feminine, ella. And usted is the formal form of that. Now, going on to plural. Third person for plural, nosotros. That's going to be us. Anytime you're including yourself and someone else in a topic or any situation. Then, in the middle, we're going to have os. That's the vosotros form, which is used mostly by Spain and a couple of other Spanish-speaking countries, but for our purposes, we won't really be using it. We'll go over any conjugations in that form, and the final third-person plural form is going to be él, ella, and usted, except any of your conjugation, or ustedes, is going to be in third-person plural, and it's going to be using a different conjugation. So, for the first part, we need, in order to interact with someone, we need to have greetings. So, the most commonly used greeting in Spanish would be, Hola, ¿cómo estás? Can everyone repeat that with me?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
And that's, hello, how are you? In Spanish, we're going to have questions, responses, and goodbyes. Preguntas, respuestas, despedidas. For your question, anytime you are greeting someone, hola, ¿cómo estás? Your response, depending on your mood or how things are going, but the easiest response is bien, y tú. So, everyone, bien?
Bien. ¿Y tú?
Y tú. Okay, bien means good. Y tú is asking the person the same question back. And you. Notice the form tú is the second person. It's asking the question back. Alright.
Más o menos.
Alright, the verb said is going to be used in conjunction whenever you answer any of these questions. It's a state of being, so whenever you're talking, you're going to be replying as to your state of being. So, whenever someone asks you how you're doing, your reply is yo with anything else. So, for ser, the conjugations are yo soy, tú eres, él es. Nosotros somos, os estáis, and ustedes son. So today we went over greetings and the verb said. We also went over how verbs have either a singular or a plural form to them. And we also went over a few greetings, questions, answers, and now for the goodbye, because this is the end of the class. Adios, as the most formal way to say goodbye.
Hasta mañana.
Hasta mañana means until tomorrow, but
Hasta luego.
Hasta luego, until later. Okay. Any other forms of saying goodbye or despedidas in Spanish?
Ciao.
Hasta la
Ciao.
vista.
Hasta la vista.
Ciao is correct, right?
Ciao is correct.
I've either Zane.
Yeah, ciao, yeah.
I'm not quite sure that's Spanish, but yeah.
That's good.
And that's it for today.